Mfethu omdala kunjani?
Right but right.
Igame namhlanje size ngokuthi namhlanje sashila umfowethu la bese sizodonate ama points. So the way mengibuka nami i-log table yethu ukuthi ayimanga kahle ngalendlela expecting ngayo ngoba amaZulu ila emva kwethu yabo ngoba nathi siyafuna ukuya ku-CAF ngangithola ukuthi ngithini maye the way nakhona ngibonile ne-starting line-up sethu ukuthi azila aselanga ukuzodlala ngoba uzowafaka ungcobo uzowabuyisa nomfana uNdlovu kule game yanamhlanje
Phela bezothola red card Ndlovu yeah bezothola red card
bebelokubadlala so ngibonile igame ukuthi it was tense and there was a lot of jewels and it was the game yabo so ke ngibonile igame yethu ngalendlela ebeyihamba ngayo mina beka-expect more goals in the first half in terms of nayo ngalendlela it was frustrating ngalendlela ukuthi sinikeze i-Sundowns ngalendlela in the first half so at least ngoba izamile sokuthole more goals in terms of going ku-second half sizamile lapho ezame khona athi la ke yenzekile ngokuthi umduduze bamlimaza ngoba at least ngoba khona sikwenzile ifi kade angalento kade angalimelanga nakhona-ke towards igame yonke I can wrap up ngokuthi it was a good game to watch and nakhona in terms of ukuthi sibonise ibhola elihle namhlanje towards i-Sundowns nalento ukukhombisa ukuthi ya nathi siphume Soweto nathi siyakwazi ukudlala lento akwazi ukushikisha ngangithola nathi siyakwazi ukuyenza lento abakwazi ukuyenza ngabanye abantwana so namhlanje into ebengizoyisho namhlanje bona into engizoyisapota namhlanje today le abayishilo ukuthi abayidinga ama-favors oku-Kaizer Chiefs
ubani uSundowns
nami ngisasho namhlanje banganiya simnyama awe simnyama ezase-Orlando bafethu ithatheni abona amayenyasha ithatheni bafethu yabona bhuti lola yabona bhuti lola yabona bhuti uyoyenzile ukuthi namhlanje senze lento yabona namhlanje ngiyafisa endakhona
let's see. Oh, Ujini, I don't want Kaizer Chiefs favor. Yamosha Thabo, yamosha. Yamosha. Thabo yamosha.
Into engizoyisho speed recovery
Mashallah.
kumrena mfethu.
But
umrena.
Yeah.
They are past there besho. Ufilakazi. Siyafisa ukuthi alulame. Yabona ifika kade zamile ukuthi abafake end labafana. Towards the end of the game. Kodwa ke kwenzekile 1-1 soqala kahle sibheke kuSikhukhune ke manje. Sikhukhune bhekani bafana siyeza.
Ingozi kabi. Kuzani lapha. Kuzani abasandawana. Siyadeliza ngendlu.
Dango Khosi, dango.